Yeah.
Hell to the yeah. Dude, I want to see this. What the hell?
You want to land? Come on.
No, keep going.
All right.
I'm sure I'll see the butt on fire.
Yeah. Wait, is it even on? It's not on.
Dude, you didn't, wait, what? You didn't fire up your turbine yet?
No, it didn't come on. It might have unplugged or turned off. Because that's got to go, otherwise I'm not flying it.
Oh yeah, because you need to see the butt.
Yeah, I got to see the fiery butt. Alright. Make sure the booty's working. Might have turned it off on accident. I did. I just turned it off on accident. So it's good. Fiery butt has been activated.
Give her some sriracha.
Sriracha, baby.
Hell yeah.
It's burning, burning.
It's burning.
All right.
Excuse me, sir, your butt is on fire.
All right, F-15, take it off.
Gyro initialized.
Ooh, it's getting scary dark.
Yeah, it is.
My eyesight is not that good, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. If the burner gets too much, I'll just have to come in. Take it off.
I think everyone's settled in on flying IFR, so no one's hitting the spotlights.
Yeah.
Ooh, their ass is glowing.
It's glowing, baby. Woo. Okay. It's kind of hard to see, though.
It's hard to see.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's not too bad, though.
It's not too bad.
Just can't look out for the damn night walrus. Low pass from the left.
Oh, I gotta land. Landing. Shit, I lost orientation for a second.
It doesn't take much.
It doesn't take much.
And
all
then
of a sudden I'm banking and I'm like, wait.
And then the
and then I have to think about my lights. I'm like, where are my lights? And I'm like, okay.
The weirdest thing is the runway creeps up on you.
Yeah. But dude, that F-15 is bright.
Yeah, you can see.
You can really see it. Okay. Yeah. You can really see it.
Yeah, it's not. I've flown it in pitch black.
Yeah.
But it does get kind of scary.
It's a little sketch.
Like right over there.
Yeah. That's where I was.
Yeah, right
it got
over
a little
there.
sketchier. Yeah.
Hey, night walrus, look out! Fucking burning, man.
And then you know what doesn't help?
What?
Other people got the bright ass planes.
That's the problem. That's why I'm
That's
like.
the other problem too.
I can't see around it.
Yeah.
And of course, he's right at the runway the same time I want to be.
Yeah.
Low pass. Oh, come on.
30 seconds.
Okay, landing from the left.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Ten, 9, 8. Flaps up.
All right, that's the only time that's flying.
Seven, 6, 5, 4. Three. Two.
Huh? You can see it just fine.
Time expired.